You fucking wanker! Have a look! Fucking dumb twat! Oh! Oh, dumbass! What? You need to calm down. No. No. No.
You owe it to your roof to contact the Dream Team at All Guard Roofing for a free estimate today. They're just a click away at allguardroofing.com.
Our parents aren't able to parent the way they want to.
Maybe it was COVID, maybe it was something else, but over the last several months, Washington, D.C. finally seems to have got religion when it comes to child poverty. So, after the break, what happens next?
There's no question there will be unintended consequences.
On the front lines of the truth, High 50 KFYI on FM at 95.5 HTC.
Can you pull it off? Can you pull it off?
Executive order to be signed from the 550 KFYI.
The video is locked.
President Trump has set to sign an executive order today aimed at closing the education department.
Fire.
That's a great idea.
And burn old bills that you don't need anymore.
We haven't got those yet. I think they got to go through the red tape.
Right, yeah, don't burn the official ones.
The fuck are you doing, idiot?
pull it forward, you fucking jerk. Call the police. I got your plate. I have it on tape. I can't move the bike. Call the police now. No, call the fucking police. I got your plate. Asshole.
You don't know what the story is.
No, we definitely don't. And you know, I mean, I'm hearing your side here, and hopefully that cop's going to be able to get it. I know, like you said, you're worried about the coaching element of the. Oh, you okay?
I know. Oh my God! I just averted. Hold on.
Hey, yeah, let's go ahead and get off the phone and let you finish driving, okay?
Yeah, no, there's a huge accident behind me.